We are heading to the Daintree today. Welcome to a real travel talk. I'm Mariah, this is Mitch, and we live in Naranjito at SUV. So I started doing daily day in the lives because travel isn't always as glamorous, but I think today's gonna be because we're going to the Daintree. It's a Saturday, usually Saturdays we don't work, so we have more time for adventure, which I'm very excited for the Daintree. I've already used 30 seconds of this intro and it's a 2-hour drive, so we'll see you then. We have to cross a ferry to get to the other side. Just amazes me how much they worship those birds. We're in Cassowary country, and if you don't know, Google. We'll be going on that bad boy. Naranjito has been on a few ferries now. And also, oh, the window's dirty. Crocodile country. Here we go. Here we go. Probably the fastest ferry rider. Driving through the rainforest. Now, first stop in the Daintree. Cape Tribulation. Amazing. There's 2 kids hanging out in the Daintree. It's a no from me with that. Whoosh. Always comforting. Look at Cape Tribulation. The water's a bit average looking. Still very beautiful. Mason's swimming hole. We're going to check it out. Mitch is going to get coins.
Trying to get off. I don't know, something pulled it up my neck. Like it felt like 6 little legs.
Look at all those fish there. Lunch at this little cute restaurant by the beach. Lunch. We always share. And we found a coconut. We're going to try these.
That looks amazing.
We've got wattle seed, jackfruit, strawberry, and what was the other one? Oh, that's banana caramel. Very happy with that selection. They are all delicious, and that one is delicious too. It's beautiful.
Or if it does overflow, most of the time it just flows out there.
Just had to run after the drone because its battery was going low and it had to land somewhere. We had to land it on the road. And that was the Daintree. What did you think, darling?
Beautiful.